Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can make new friends on Facebook and also manage those friends, right? So you will be having a friend list, but now how do you make and manage the friend list? And what you need to also be mindful of is those friends that you make on Facebook, they are your potential customers, they are your dream customers. You need to target the right people so that at the end of the day you will build a relationship with them. They will make engagement on your post and ultimately lead to a sale. That's the result. Everything that you do, you need to focus on the end result. The end result is the people that you're connecting with. They are potentially your customers, your potential customers. So these are the strategies, the steps that you need to follow. So the first thing that you need to do, you need to remove non-engaging friends from your friend list. So what do I mean by engaging? So as we've spoken about in the content hacking video, engagement means those people, when you make a post, they engage in your post by liking, loving, and commenting on your post. That is engaging, right? And the ones that are not doing anything, you just send a post, but they are part of your friend list, but they do nothing. They are so non-active. So those people you need to remove because they're not engaging, so they're not participating in your post. You need to remove them from your friend list. And you will be sending the friend request to people, and by sending the friend request, you don't just send the friend request and just wait and do nothing. You need to manage that. Remember, this is all about engagement, building relationships. This is organic marketing. So you need to manage that. How do you manage it? If you send a friend request to a couple of people, you send a friend request to 5 people, and then 2 they accept your friend request within 2 days or so, but 3 of them, they just do nothing. They don't accept your friend request, and 8 days has passed. Then you need to remove the friend request. I'll show you where you do that. You need to remove that because that is going to affect your the algorithm from the Facebook point of view, and because Facebook will be sending the posts that you make on a daily basis to those people, and remember, they won't be even engaging in your request. For Facebook to be able to recognize that, and also for you to build authority, it's all about engagement. People must engage with you. So if those people that you've sent friend requests and 8 days has passed, and you have not even they have not even engaged in your post, so it will just be a waste, right? So you won't be even gaining momentum from engagement point of view. So you need to remove them if they have not accepted your friend request within 8 days. It is also going to affect the existing friends that you have. They will not have sight of your post that you make. So for you to be able to make sure that your post it has a lot of eyeballs, it must be seen by a lot of people, and there should be engagement. What counts is engagement. So delete those people. That's what I want to emphasize. If no engagement, if they've not accepted within 8 days, remove from your friend list because they are not part of your friends. They are not engaging with you. Now you need to add to your friend list, and this should be a weekly task. On a weekly basis. So daily you need to be sending 30 friend requests. Send 30 friend requests on a daily basis. But now, where do you get these 30 people? You need to be joining Facebook group. You cannot be joining any Facebook group, right? You need to join specific Facebook group. You cannot be joining Facebook group for writing books for kids. You need to join affiliate marketing Facebook group because we are affiliators, and look for potential friends from those groups. So I'll show you now what I'm talking about. Let's just go to my Facebook profile. So we're in my Facebook profile. So right, where do you remove these non-engaging people? So you go to friends, and once you are here, you should be able to see find requests. These are the requests that I've made, and you should be able to you can just say select all, and just check this was sent a day ago. So you should be able to delete the ones that are not active. This is where you find the friend request, and you need to remove them if they have not accepted your request. And the next step that we need to do, so this will be the people that have not engaged in your content. So you'll send a post, you will send a post, and once you've sent your post, these people won't even engage with you. Then remove them from your friend list, so that they don't affect your engagement and the Facebook algorithm, because we need to be building authority here. And the next one, where do we find the people, right? So go back homepage. So you need to join a couple of groups. So when in the affiliate marketing field, so what you need to do is just say affiliate marketing. This should bring up a couple of groups here. I've joined a couple of them. So but from your side, you can just join any group that you want, and once you've joined, they will accept you. Once they've accepted you, you should be able to find friends. So let me show you an example of what I mean, because on a daily basis you should be able to get 30, you should be able to send 30 friend requests. It's up to you. You can send maybe 15 in the morning, 15 at night, or you can send 10 in the morning, 10 during the day, and 10 at night. But make sure that it's 30 per day. So that's your daily task that you need to do. Don't forget about that. So let's say, for example, you've already been accepted to a group. I'm going to use Johnny West. This is he's doing well in his in this field. So, and I like his content. So what you need to do is just check the post that has a lot of engagement. Let's just use this one. Just select to see the people who have engaged in his content. So these are the people who have engaged in his content. What you can do, just can add as a friend, but before you add, remember here you need to profile your dream customer. What are you looking for exactly? You can just select his profile and look at the profile. So evidence-based weight loss. So he has optimized his cover page. He has a link here, and he's saying what he needs to do. I help women lose weight by guiding them, coaching them. So that's what he's saying. And also check deviations. But he's using his profile for business because he's talking about his weight loss program. So he has more optimize it. So what you need to look out for, let's do this, let's go back. Basically, when you check potential customers, these are the things that you should be looking out for. Let's just look for one that might form part of your dream customer. Let's choose this one. Yeah, so this one can be a potential customer. So the post, so the cover page says digital marketing expert. So he's not saying, because from a cover page point of view, you need to be specific as to, let's say, I help people to earn $100 using high ticket offers. So he's just saying he's a digital marketing expert. It's not detailed, and he's not even saying who he's helping. So this is a good one, so that you can optimize the cover page. And also you need to check, because you need to use your timeline. SEO advert, right? You need to post relevant posts that are related to affiliate marketing. So this is how you check for potential customers. This can be one of your dream customers. So great. So I've showed you how you remove non-engaging customers and the ones that you have sent friend requests and they've not come back to you, and where to get the dream customers to join different Facebook groups, and also once you join the Facebook group, you send them friend requests, but before you send them friend requests, you need to check, as I've showed you now, you need to check, profile your customers, check if they've optimized their cover page, and check how their timeline, the content in their timeline. That's how you check your potential customers. So I've showed you how to remove non-engaging friends from your friend list, delete non-accepted friend requests, how to join Facebook so that you can get potential dream customers, and for you to be able to profile them, you check their cover page if they've optimized it, and also the content that they're posting. And if it's not optimized accordingly, then that's how you send your dirty friend requests, because those people will form part of your dream customer profile, right? So that is what we've done. Thank you guys. Let's just go to the next video.